Welcome to the Wednesday Food Truck Roundup Special Edition, the Slap Your Mama Special Baton Rouge Food Truck Cook-Off.
We're just here to throw down. Curbside. Three Bones Catering. Bite me.
Cuban Connection.
Taco de Paco.
All-Star Catering.
6 food trucks out here, all making Slap Your Mama dishes.
Looks like we're gonna be munching down on a good bit of stuff. I gotta take note of everything.
Slap Your Mama Special.
Shrimp and grits. It's incredible.
We use a white pepper blend for the grits.
That's where it's at.
Tonight we're cooking the Cuban gumbo using the Slap Your Mama hot sauce and the seasoning.
It's an etouffee ball. Never heard of it before, never had it.
It's like a little bit of heaven in your mouth, you know?
We did crawfish ravioli with lump crab meat, a jumbo lump crab cake, and a boudin egg roll with a Slap Your Mama remoulade.
We're about to eat the Mama Slapper burger.
Slap Your Mama fish fry, fried green tomato. We did like an etouffee reduction.
We have a deconstructed gumbo taco.
I think we have all the end results.
We definitely gave it our best. I'm sure there's a lot of talent out here. We'll see how it shakes out. We've replaced all of our normal seasonings with all Slap Your Mama brands, and it's a game changer.
I can really taste the Slap Your Mama in it.
People come out here with their families, get to try real Cajun food with real Cajun spices, so great.
Try it. If you haven't tried Slap Your Mama, you're missing out on something.
All in all, it can be added to any dish, which is what we proved here tonight.
For tonight's Baton Rouge Food Truck Slap Your Mama Special, the grand prize goes to All-Star Catering. It was incredible, man. Come on in and get your prize.
Came out here, gave it our best, ended up winning grand champion. That's pretty awesome.
Slap Your Mama is all about good times, food, friends, and family. So remember, if you can eat it, you can slap it.
Hi! Slap your mama, not my mama, but slap your mama.